Welcome to Casa Grande Utopia. Casa Grande Utopia is Manapakkam's first kids-themed community consisting of 673 2, 3 and 4 BHK apartments in a 10.19 acres land extent. Let me quickly give you top 6 reasons on why you need to invest now in Casa Grande Utopia. Location. Casa Grande Utopia is located in Manapakkam, just 10 minutes from Guindy. It is a perfect choice for anyone who is looking to buy a home in Guindy, Vadapalli, Porur, Ashok Nagar, KK Nagar or Alandur. It is connected by a network of wide roads, efficient transport facilities, and within 5 km radius you have reputed schools, colleges, hospitals, IT park like Miyot Hospital, Ramachandra Medical College and DLF IT Park. Price. The nearby locations like Guindy, Ashok Nagar, Alandur are priced anywhere between Rs 8,000 to Rs 14,000 per square feet. If you want to buy an apartment in Manapakkam, you'll have to spend a minimum of Rs 6,000 per square feet. At Casa Grande Utopia, we are offering a never heard price of just Rs 5,299 per square feet. Product planning. Casa Grande Utopia offers the best master and unit plan. The project is designed with a basement car park, making the entire community a vehicle-free zone, ensuring safety of children and senior citizens. 6 acres of open landscape with recreational amenities, staggered living and dining ensuring maximum privacy, and 100% Vastu compliant homes. This project offers the most premium specifications like an 8 feet grand entry door with a digital door lock, mobile charging pod, top and quad sink and premium sanitary fittings. Amenities. Casa Grande Utopia is the first kids-themed community in Manapakkam. It offers more than 80 amenities, which is the highest in this market. It has a 35,000 square feet clubhouse with unique amenities like 3D home theatre, squash court, kids learning centre, kids fun city and many more amenities for kids. Completion timeline. Casa Grande is committed to deliver Casa Grande Utopia in just 24 months, wherein the other builders take more than 36 months, which increases your pre-EMI burden. Casa Grande advantage. For such a superior home, we are able to offer the lowest price in the market because of 3 main reasons. Number 1, having our own in-house construction team. Number 2, completing all our projects at an optimal speed. And number 3, the volume of construction we do enable cost saving, which in turn is passed on to our customer as a benefit. As a trusted builder in the market with over 15 years of excellence and 15,000 happy customers, we are 100% sure you wouldn't miss an opportunity to be a part of Casa Grande family. So go for it and book now.
Casa Grande presents the first kids-themed community at Manapakkam. The project has 2, 3 and 4 BHK apartments spread across 10.15 acres of lush greens. A grand feature wall and entrance arch invites you to a community with 63% open area. The project has 2 entries and exits from different locations in Manapakkam. The project is uniquely designed with a courtyard for every block, featuring amenities such as kids swamp pool, pool slides, pergola seating, outdoor chess courts, lawn seating spaces and many more. There are a total of 7 courtyards spanning 1.2 acres in the project, ensuring beautiful views for the residents of the community. Podiums have a mix of amenities for all age groups, ranging from well-crafted senior citizen corner, kids play area, swimming pool, kids pool, pergola seating, outdoor party lawn, among others. There are more than 30 amenities across podiums, including leisure seating areas, kids hopscotch, open amphitheatre with outdoor screen for movie experience, tree house, kids play areas, maze garden and lawns. With 80 plus amenities, the project has more amenities than any other project in the city. It also has unique amenities for kids such as Jungle Gym, Fun City, Interactive Kids Gym, Robotics, etc. The indoor amenities at the project include multi-purpose hall, indoor games room, kids fun city, 3D AV room, gym, interactive gymnasium, etc. More than 1 acre of area is dedicated for outdoor facilities such as landscaped walkways, multi-purpose court, cricket practice pitch, stepped landscaping, outdoor fitness corner, kids science park, jogging track, aroma garden and open gathering deck. The club swimming pool is designed with aqua gym, sun loungers, day beds, pebbles and cabanas. With innovative features and design, the project is unlike any other in the city. Come and own your dream home today.